The invention of the electric hair clipper in 1919 was sheer progress. It was the first clipper with a motor in the actual unit, allowing the barber to cut hair at a very steady clip. Hairstyles change, but the electric clipper motors along, always at the cutting edge. Hair is definitely a growth industry, so these early electric hair clippers were an easy sell. These days, they make the casing for hair clippers out of heavy-duty plastic. An automated mold melts and shapes the plastic material into casing parts. A robot picks up brass contacts and places them in fixtures. Another robot then attaches a plastic switch to each contact. A blast of air sends the assembled piece to a bin. Here, a robot slides a plastic spool onto a mandrel, then anchors copper wire to it. They wind the wire around the spool more than 2,000 times to make part of the electric relay that will drive the blades. Pulleys keep the wire feed at an even tension. Next, robots work on the clipper's lower casing. One installs a blade slide for adjusting the blade, and another picks up a lever to engage the slide. The robot attaches the lever to the case and blade slide. And an automated screwdriver fastens everything together. Another robot then sends the clipper assembly on its way to have a metal arm placed inside. It will move the cutting blade, and for that, it will need a couple of springs. They slide the switch assembly into position. Then they screw the arm into place. They install a screw for adjusting the power setting. And now they fit the copper wire coil in the lower housing, where it will drive that metal arm. To activate it with the flick of a switch, they run a power cord from the switch to the coil. Over at another station, a punch press stamps out blades for the clippers. The blades are toothless to start. They're not yet sharp enough to cut it in the barber shop. So after a good wash and heat treatment, they head over to another station to get some teeth. A worker pops a blade into a fixture to hold it steady, while a jagged cylindrical cutter carves the teeth. Coolant keeps things from heating up and compromising the integrity of the steel as the cutter does its work. Each hair clipper has two blades, one with cutting teeth that moves over a larger stationary blade, which ensnares the hairs so they can be cut. Next, they print the company logo on the clipper's lid. And they attach the lid to the casing that holds the electrical components. They mount the blades on the head of the clipper for that double-edged cutting action. And finally, they tune each clipper for optimum performance by adjusting that power screw installed earlier. The clippers come in a kit. This one will be sold for consumer use, for those who want to try their hand at a little home grooming. Now, these electric hair clippers are ready to make any bad hair day better. And with those toothy blades, they'll definitely make short work of any hair challenge.
never slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love